The recently patented O2 torque tool was created to simplify removal of vehicle O2 sensors. It stands 1¼ inches tall. The inside diameter of 7/8 of an inch fits snugly onto the sensor. Externally, the upper 1 inch of the tool has a diameter of 1¼ inch, which fits a wrench of the same size. The lower 1/4 of an inch flares out to form a base with a diameter of 1¾ inches. Each tool is currently produced via CNC machine and is made of O1 tool steel. This is a data plug inside an 1¼ box end. As you can see, the data plug does not fit through the 7/8 inch of the offset sensor removal tool, which I am using in this example instead of a 7/8 box end. In contrast, the O2 torque tool fits over the wiring harness and down onto the sensor. This allows the data plug to fit easily through the larger box end as the wrench drops down onto the tool. Now all of the energy to remove the sensor is applied over the center of the sensor, as opposed to being applied along the side of the sensor with the offset. This results in less work to do the same task. User is now able to perform the entire task with one hand, as the wrench weight on the tool's base holds it in place. The O2 torque tool does not have to be lifted, repositioned, and continually steadied on the sensor, unlike the offset tool. If you ever had the pleasure of replacing a downstream sensor, located on top of a very hot exhaust, you may appreciate this. Now, not many of us have the luxury of removing the sensor from a detached exhaust. With the exhaust still mounted, each vehicle has a unique area in which to access the sensor. To address the differences in height, width, and depth of area available for each vehicle, the O2 torque tool addresses this by providing an access solution. The images shows just a few 1¼ wrenches, and is a reminder that there are countless combinations of beam lengths, fastener head angles, and fastener head types. Once you evaluate the unique area you have to access the sensor, you will be able to select the wrench which provides the maximum effective degrees of travel for the wrench with your 3-dimensional area. The days of offset ratchet wiggle and single click advances are over. That which seemed almost impossible, is now doable. This option does not exist with any other tool. The 1¼ access on the tool is 1 inch high. If you find yourself using an open end to access the tool at an angle unavailable with a box end, the tool height should provide protection from knuckle-busting slip-offs up to angles nearing 45 degrees. Finally, the 7/8 on the sensor may be badly rounded from previous attempts to remove it. Even if it is mangled to the point where the tool will not drop down onto the sensor, there is hope. If you take a close look, each of the 6 internal corners have relief cut into them. With the tool being made of O1 tool steel, the O2 torque tool relief will clear the way of the softer sensor metal and give you a shot at removing the rounded sensor. A shot that was unavailable with any other tool. Hope you like it.